Good morning, students. I am your social science teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Okay, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Yes, shall we start today's session? Today, we are going to see the continuation of last class. Last class we see about 5 landforms, right? Today we are going to see the continuation of 5 landforms. Okay. Last class we see 3 regions, right? What are they? Physical features of the land. Mountains, Kurunji land, we already see. Forest, Mullai land, we see in the last class, and also field Marudam land we see in the last class. Today we are going to see sea, seashore, Netherland. Okay, sea, seashore, Netherland. Okay, here is a sea. My dear children, have you all went to sea once in your lifetime? Where did you go to sea? In which district you went to? You went and see the seashore. Did you see the seashore? It is called as Netherland. Okay. The salty water body. Sea water is naturally salty. We all know it, right? The salty water body that covers a large part of the surface of the earth is called sea. The salty water bodies, these are the salty waters that covers a large part of the surface of earth, which covers a large part, which occupies a large distance of surface. So it is called sea. What is sea? The sea is the salty water bodies which covers large part of the surface of the earth is called sea. The sea and the area around the sea is called Neithal. Okay. The sea and the area around the sea. Okay. What is called Neithal? The sea and the area which is around the sea shore is called Neithal. Okay. Let's see the theme. Let's see the goddesses, people, occupation, plant or flower, animal or bird, music in the region of Netherland. Okay. Let's see these things the seashore people followed. Okay. The theme. Their god is Varunan. Varunan is a rain god. Malai Kadavul. Okay. Varunan is a rain god. In the seashore, their god is Varunan. Varunan is a rain god. The people living in that region is called Parathavar. Parathavar. Parathavar means fisherman. Because in the seashore, most of the people living there was a fisherman. Because their occupation is only fishing. When they are nearer by to the seashore. Okay. So the people are called Parathavar. Fisherman. Their occupation is fishing. Their occupation is fishing. Plant or flower. Plant is Punnai. Plant is Punnai flower. Punnai plant is planted nearby the sea. Flower is Sengandal. flower is Sengandal. Okay, their plant is Punnai, their flower is Sengandal. Animal, fish, because in the seashore many fishes are found, so their animal is fish. The bird lived in that region is seagull. Seagull. Music, Villarreal. The music, Villarreal. Okay, what are the theme? God is Varunan, rain god. People, Parathavar, fisherman. Occupation, fishing. Plant or flower, Punnai, Sengandal. Animal or bird, animal is fish, bird seagull. Music, Villarreal. Okay, music, Villarreal. See this picture. The god named Varunan. Seashore god is Varunan. Their occupation is fishing. Their occupation is fishing. There are many boats here, right? Next one, the flower, Sengandal. This one is called as Sengandal poo. Okay, Sengandal flower. Plant, plant here is Punnai. This is the Punnai plant. Animal is fish. We all see fish, right? So the animal in the seashore is fish. Bird, seagull. This one is a seagull bird. Okay, this one is a seagull bird. Is it clear, dears? Varunan, fishing. Sengandal, Punnai, fish. Seagull. These are comes under the seashore, Netherlands. This is in Netherlands. Okay. Here the second one, people are called as Parathavar, fisherman, is the fourth Roman letter, first question or fourth point. Okay, the people in seashore is called Parathavar, fisherman. Okay, let's see next one. Second one, the people and their occupation. The people and their occupation. People, Serpan. Serpan. Seafood vendor and trader was called as Serpan. Who is called as Serpan? Those who are doing seafood vendor and trader. Second one, Pulamban, who thrive on coconut. Who thrive on coconut was called Pulamban. Next one, Parathavar. Parathavar means he is a sea warrior or merchant. Sea warrior, merchant. Nulayar. Nulayar, people who thrived on fish culture. People who thrived on fish culture. Alavar. Alavar, salt cultivator. Alavar, salt cultivator. Next one, third one, the soil of Netherlands. Netherlands people using the soil called saline soil. The land of Netherlands is made up of saline soil. The land of Netherlands is made of saline soil. Okay. Known place, unknown fact. This is a beach. Have you went to the beach? Here is a Marina Beach, which is in Chennai. We all went to this beach once in our lifetime. I went to this beach. My dears, do you went to this Marina Beach in Chennai? Okay, let's see about Marina. Marina's unknown fact. தெரியாத fact. Okay, Marina Beach is the natural urban beach in Chennai. It is a natural urban beach which is in Chennai. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. It is the second longest beach. Marina is the second longest beach in the world. In the world, it is the second longest beach in the world. The beach is situated in the eastern side of India. It is situated in the eastern side of India along Bay of Bengal. Okay, it is in the eastern side. The beach runs from Fort St. George in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south. Foreshore's Estate in the south. The total distance of beach is 13 kilometer. 13 kilometer is the total distance of Marina Beach. It has a vast land which is about 13 kilometer distance. The first longest beach is Miami Beach, which is situated at Florida, America. This one is the second longest beach. The first longest beach is in Miami Beach, which is in America. Okay, the first longest beach is Miami, which is in America. Okay, let's see the fifth one. Fifth one is dry land, palai land. First we see about Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal. Fifth one is palai. Fifth one is palai. It is a dry land. Okay, a dry region with less or without rainfall. There is less or without rainfall. There is no rainfall in the region is called dry land, which their land is very dry because there is no rainfall in it. Okay, a dry region with less or without rainfall is called dry land. The sandy land which undergoes drought is called palai. Okay, the sandy land which undergoes drought is called palai. The next two lines are the fourth Roman letter, fourth question. Listen carefully. When Kurinji land and Mullai land dries up, it is called palai. What is called palai? When Kurinji and Mullai dries up, it is called palai. When Kurinji and Mullai dries up, it is called palai. Okay, the theme. Okay, this one is the fourth Roman letter, fifth question. You have to write this whole box, so listen carefully. Okay, this one is the fourth Roman letter, fifth question. Full paragraph, full box you have to write. The theme. God, Kottravai. Their goddess Kottravai. Mother goddess. Their mother goddess is Kottravai. 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 The people living in this region is called Yeiner Yeitrier. Yeiner Yeitrier. Their occupation is cattle lifting. Their occupation is cattle lifting. Plant flower. உளிங்கை பாலை. Flower cactus இலுப்பை. Cactus இலுப்பை. Animal bird. Animal tiger, elephant. The animal living in the Palai region is tiger and elephant. Bird living in this region is eagle. Okay, bird is eagle. Music played in this region is Palaiyal. Music Palaiyal. Okay. God கொற்றவை மதர் goddess. People எயினர் எயிற்றியர். Occupation cattle lifting. Plant flower. உளிங்கை பாலை. Cactus இலுப்பை. Animal bird. Tiger, elephant, eagle. Music பாலையாழ். Music பாலையாழ். So here is a diagram. Is it clear? Here is a goddess, mother goddess, Kottravai god. Okay, she is a Kottravai. Their occupation is cattle lifting. Here are the cattle. Cattle means kalnadaigal. Okay, next one, flower. This one is a cactus flower. Okay, cactus. Next one, ilupai. It is a flower. Cactus, ilupai is a flower. Next one, animal in this region is tiger. Bird, eagle. Okay, bird, eagle. Next one, 2. The people and their occupations. The people and their occupations. Maravar. Maravar means noble warrior, hunter. Second one, Yeyinar. Yeyinar means warrior. Yeyinar, warrior. Okay. Maravar means noble warrior, hunter. Those who hunted, those who used hunting is called Maravar. Yeyinar, warrior. The soil of the Palai land. The land of Palai is sandy and saline. The soil here, the soil in Palai region is sandy or saline. Okay. Next, we are going to see the glossary. Glossary. Planet. Planet. A celestial body which does not have light or heat of its own, that revolves around the sun. Composed. To be formed from various things. Occupation. A person's job. Occupation means a person's job. Reserved forest. A forest that have been accorded a certain degree of protection is called reserved forest. Fragrance. Fragrance means a pleasant smell. Fragrance means a pleasant smell. Okay. Next one, evolution. List out first Roman letter. List out first one. Write the names of the mountains and the places where they are located in your district. Okay, you have to name the mountains and places which is in your district. So I am giving 2 examples here. Mountains, Pachai Malai. P-A-C-H-A-I, Pachai. Malai, M-A-L-A-I, Malai. It is in Trichy, T-R-I-C-H-Y, Trichy. Second one, Velliyangiri Mountains. It is in Coimbatore. Velliyangiri Mountains. Velliyangiri. Velliyangiri. Velliyangiri Mountains. 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 It is in Coimbatore. 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 Second one, write the name of the trees around your school. So we have to find the trees in our school, in or around our school. Do you know the name of trees in our school? Let's see the first one, neem trees. N-E-E-M, neem. N-E-E-M, neem trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Second one, mango trees. M-A-N-G-O, mango trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Next one, fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, the vast flat land on the earth is called dash. The answer is plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. Second one, dash is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Which one is the fourth oldest water diversion system? Kallanai Dam. Okay. K-A-L-L-A-N-A-I, Kallanai Dam. D-A-M, dam. Okay. Kallanai, K-A-L-L-A-N-A-I, Kallanai Dam. D-A-M, dam. Third one, dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. In Kanyakumari district, the forest which located is called reserve forest. Reserve, R-E-S-E-R-V-E, reserve forest. Fourth one, the agricultural land and the area around is called dash. Agricultural land is Marudam. Agricultural land, Marudam. M-A-R-U-T-H-A-M, Marudam. Next one, fifth one, dash is the biggest mangrove forest in India. The answer is Sundarbans. Okay, Sundarbans. S-U-N-D-A-R-B-A-N-S, Sundarbans. S-U-N-D-A-R-B-A-N-S, Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Sixth one, Marina Beach is located in dash. Today only we see Marina Beach is located in Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I, Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I, Chennai. Third Roman letter, match the following. A. First one, here are the god name. We have to find which region they are their gods. Okay. Murugan is a god for Kurinji people. Murugan, Kurinji. Second one, Thirumal, Mullai. Thirumal, Mullai. Indiran, Marudam. இந்திரன் மருதம். வருணன் நெய்தல். வருணன் நெய்தல். Fifth one, கொற்றவை பாளை. கொற்றவை பாளை. முருகன் குறிஞ்சி. திருமால் முல்லை. இந்திரன் மருதம். வருணன் நெய்தல். கொற்றவை பாளை. Okay, here they are giving the குறிஞ்சி theme. We have to find which one is the answer. God. குறிஞ்சி திணை, the god is முருகன். God முருகன். Flower, குறிஞ்சி flower. Flower, குறிஞ்சி flower. Third one, people, குறவர் குறத்தியர். People, குறவர் குறத்தியர். Fourth one, their occupation is root gathering. Their occupation is root gathering. Next one, answer in short. Okay. First one, name the people of 5 Tinais. We have to name the people only in 5 Tinais. Okay. First one, people. In first Tinai, people. The Tinai name is குறிஞ்சி. Okay, குறிஞ்சின்னு போட்டு people, குறவர் குறத்தியர். Second, people, இடையர் இடைச்சியர் ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர், forest. Okay. Third, field, மருதம் land. People, உழவர் உழத்தியர். Okay. Fourth one, seashore. The people is பரத்தவர், fisherman. Next, dry land. The people is எயினர் எயிற்றியர். Okay, these five people and the names of the people is the answer. You have to arrange it in a single box. Okay, and give the answer. You have to write only the people's name in 5 Tinais. Next one, second, list 4 themes of Mullai land. Page number 139. 4 themes of Mullai land. Here is a Mullai land. Here are the themes. Okay, the theme. You have to write this box. Okay, 4th Roman letter, second question. From here to here is the answer. Okay, you have to write this box. Okay, the 6 ones. Okay, God is Thirumal, people. Likewise, you have to end with musical instrument Mullaiyal. Next one, third one, what do you know about Selumbulam? What do you know about Sembulam? 139. Sembulam. The answer is here. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. First point. Second point, this region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. So here is the 4th Roman letter, third question. These 4 lines only. Okay. Page number 139. Next one. How the Palai dryland region is formed. Page number 144. Here is answer. Last 2 lines. When Kurinji and Mullai dries up, it is called Palai. When Kurinji and Mullai dries up, it is called Palai. 4th Roman letter, 4th question. Next one. 5th one. What are the themes of Palai? Page number 145. பாலையோட themes. Here is பாலை. The themes here. You have to write this box full of. Okay va? The theme. The start பண்ணி பாலையாழ் வரைக்கும் 4th Roman letter 5th question. God is கொற்றவை. People einer eitrier. Occupation cattle lifting. Plant flower உளிங்கை பாலை cactus இலுப்பை. Animal bird tiger elephant eagle. Music is பாலையாழ். Okay. Today your assignment is you have to note down these things. Okay. Note down these things in your book. Your homework is you have to write the fill in the blanks and match the following. These 2 Roman letter is your homework. Okay. You have to write this fill in the blanks and the match the following. This one and this one in the homework note and take a picture of it and send it in our group. Okay dears. This one and this one is your homework. Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay children, thank you. We'll continue in the next class.